I remember scrubbing my bathroom floor on my hands and knees until my lower back screamed, only to realize the soap scum hadn't even budged. Buying a power scrubber should be easy, but with so many flimsy gadgets flooding the market, it's a nightmare to find one that actually works. You end up wasting money on weak motors that stall the second you apply pressure. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 cordless spin scrubbers that will actually save your back and your time. Stick around, because the number 1 spot is a total game changer. Let's dive in. 5. SKIL PWR Core 20. Discussing the power tool lineage of this scrubber, SKIL is a brand historically known for building heavy-duty saws and drills, so you naturally expect their spin scrubber to be an absolute beast. It runs on their proprietary PWR Core 20 lithium-ion battery platform, which means you're essentially bringing garage-level power right into your bathroom. Straight out of the box, the tool feels like a serious piece of hardware, representing a massive departure from those cheap, flimsy plastic scrubbers you often see heavily promoted on late-night infomercials. The build quality alone immediately suggests that it can handle years of serious household abuse. The feature list on this model is undeniably robust and looks great on paper. It boasts a dynamic 2-speed motor that lets you easily toggle between 300 and 500 RPMs, depending on the delicacy or toughness of the surface you are tackling. The rotating cleaning head carries an impressive IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can be completely submerged without frying the internal electronics. It also features a telescoping pole designed to extend your reach, alongside an adjustable auxiliary handle that is supposed to give you better leverage when pressing the bristles down into tough, embedded grime. However, when I actually put this tool to the test in a standard walk-in shower, the reality of its design quickly set in. Because it uses a heavy-duty 20-volt power tool battery, the entire unit weighs well over 4 pounds. Holding it horizontally to clean high wall tiles rapidly turns into an exhausting upper body workout, completely defeating the effortless cleaning experience it aggressively promises. Furthermore, that bulky battery housing situated at the end of the handle is incredibly clumsy, frequently banging against the glass doors and walls when you're trying to maneuver the device in tighter shower corners. 4. BLACK+DECKER BHPC110. This unit takes a completely different approach to bathroom cleaning by stripping away the long extension wands in favor of a compact, handheld design. It is specifically meant to be the quick grab tool that you keep conveniently tucked right under the bathroom sink for weekly surface maintenance. When you pick it up, it feels incredibly light and unintimidating, which is a stark, refreshing contrast to the heavy and exhausting SKIL model we just discussed. The Grime Buster is fully submersible and powered by an internal, rechargeable lithium-ion battery that holds its charge quite well between uses. It features a fantastic rubberized, non-slip grip that comfortably wraps around the main body of the device, ensuring that even when your hands are completely covered in slippery, soapy water and cleaning chemicals, you never lose control of the tool. It comes with a couple of handy dishwasher-safe replacement heads, and the steady rotating motion is designed to cut through daily dirt without requiring you to aggressively scrub your arm back and forth. Unfortunately, when I put it to use on my bathroom floors and the curved bottom of my bathtub, the lack of an extension wand became a glaring and painful issue. Because this is strictly a handheld device, you're forced right back down onto your hands and knees to effectively clean low surfaces. If the entire goal of buying a motorized power scrubber is to save your lower back and avoid awkwardly leaning over the wet tub, this specific design completely misses the mark and puts you right back in the uncomfortable position you were trying to escape. 3. Bosch UniversalBrush. Unlike the previous models that either felt far too bulky or severely underpowered, this brilliant tool strikes a beautiful, highly effective balance. It is incredibly sleek, weighing just under a pound, and actually looks more like a premium electric toothbrush for your house than a piece of garage hardware. From the moment I picked it up, I could tell it was engineered with absolute precision and user comfort firmly in mind. This device operates on a highly efficient 3.6-volt internal battery and delivers a smooth, steady 215 RPMs. It charges via a universally convenient micro USB cable, meaning you don't have to deal with massive proprietary charging blocks, taking up precious space in your bathroom drawers. It also proudly carries an IPX5 splash water protection rating, making it perfectly safe for wet environments around the sink and shower. Bosch includes a fantastic variety of high-quality attachments right in the box, including a standard bristle brush, a precision detail brush, and a pad holder with both non-scratch and abrasive pads. Testing this tool on intricate bathroom fixtures was an absolute revelation in home cleaning. I used the tiny detail brush attachment to tackle the gross, grimy buildup around the base of my metal faucets and deep inside the narrow grout lines of my vanity backsplash. Because it is so wonderfully lightweight and easy to maneuver, it reached into tight, awkward corners effortlessly, cleaning hidden areas that bulkier scrubbers could never even dream of touching. It handled all the tedious detail, worked perfectly, without ever requiring me to break a sweat or strain my wrist. The overall user experience is where the Bosch truly shines and earns its high placement. 2. Dremel Versa. Dremel is world famous for their high-speed, precision rotary tools, and they have successfully translated that unique engineering expertise into a dedicated cleaning device. The Versa is an exceptionally compact, palm-sized unit that you can comfortably grip securely with just one hand, yet it packs an astonishing punch that simply leaves almost every other compact scrubber completely in the dust. The defining feature of the Dremel Versa is its absolutely blistering motor speed, spinning at an incredible 2,200 RPMs. It features a highly reliable internal lithium-ion battery and utilizes a brilliant, highly efficient hook and loop pad system. This smart design allows you to instantly swap between a non-scratch pad for delicate glass, a heavy-duty pad for tough stains, and an eraser pad for scuffed walls. Most importantly, Dremel includes a cleverly designed retractable rubber splash guard that wraps perfectly around the spinning head to safely contain the wet mess. I took the Versa straight to the most dreaded, annoying area of my entire bathroom: the foggy, severely soap scum-covered glass shower doors. The extreme rotational speed made an immediate and massive difference to the cleaning process. Instead of just slowly pushing the soapy scum around the glass, the incredibly fast-spinning pad literally melted it away in seconds. Hard water stains on the ceramic tile walls vanished completely effortlessly. It cut my overall scrubbing time down to a mere fraction of what it usually takes, delivering beautifully clear, professional-level polishing results. The inclusion of the rubber splash guard is an absolute lifesaver in practical use. When a cleaning pad is spinning at 2,200 RPMs, dirty water and cleaning chemicals naturally want to fly everywhere, but the guard neatly deflects the heavy spray back down, keeping your face, eyes, and clothes perfectly dry. 1. Ryobi P4510. Ryobi has smartly taken everything frustrating about standard household cleaning and completely solved it with this absolute powerhouse of a machine. Operating on their massive, heavily tested 18V power tool battery platform, this tool provides endless, fade-free power that easily handles the most grueling, time-consuming deep cleans without ever needing a break to recharge. The rugged specifications on this scrubber are nothing short of incredible for a household cleaning tool. It comfortably delivers up to 2 full hours of continuous runtime on a standard battery, which is more than enough time to deep clean every single bathroom in your house twice over. The battery enclosure features a rock-solid IPX7 waterproof rating, securely allowing the tool to be completely submerged in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. It also intelligently utilizes a universal triangle connector, making it fully compatible with a huge variety of specialized aftermarket brush heads. The real magic happened the moment I used its 51-inch telescoping pole and the brilliant 6-position articulating head inside my large walk-in shower. I was able to aggressively scrub the very top of the shower tiles, the tall glass doors, and the slippery floor basin without bending over, kneeling on the wet floor, or stretching awkwardly a single time. The articulating head easily clicked and locked into the perfect angle to clean the tight, annoying corners where the floor meets the wall. It completely eliminated the intense physical strain that usually ruins my lower back for the rest of the weekend. When it comes to raw, unadulterated torque, the Ryobi is simply unstoppable. I intentionally pressed the stiff bristle brush incredibly hard down into the floor grout, actively trying to see if I could force the motor to stall, but it just kept aggressively spinning, chewing through years of embedded dirt with total ease.